This is the retro gaming console that I designed, and it's almost completely made out of PVC pipe. This thing has over 500 games on it and even some popular games like Super Mario Brothers. That means this console is absolutely a game changer. And in this video I'm going to show you how I built and tested this game console. For this build we need a PVC pipe. Then after we get our PVC pipe, we're going to cut our template out of it. Cutting our template out of it, we are going to have two sections, one for the top and one for the back. Then we cut holes for the screen and the buttons. Then after that, I glued this piece onto the top cover of the console to provide a rigid base for the LCD screen. To glue the second piece, I flip it over and glue it on it. Then I added these little buttons which can be found in your holding game controller. After that, I added these tiny white things which I cut from a lollipop to provide a place for the rubber dome to sit on. And you know, rubber dome helps register button presses. Now it's time for me to add the screen. You have to be very careful not to damage the screen. Then I lay the PCB and the screen like so. Then I added this tiny screw to keep the PCB from falling. This was the battery that I wanted to use, but due to its size, I replaced it with a smaller one to make the console nice and smart. Next, I cut two parts from the PVC pipe to make the back cover. Then I bent it to the shape I wanted using fire. Carefully glue it to the back plate to make it nice. And there we have it, we are done with the main body. Next on the list, I added the switch for turning on the console, and then I added the potentiometer for volume, and then the charging module for charging the game. Now it's time for me to wire everything together. This is the connection diagram, you can check it if you want to. And also I forgot to put the speaker to the diagram, so there is it in the console. Now that everything is set, all I need is to close the game console now and enjoy my time. That's pretty much it for this build. All what's left now to do is to turn on the game console and play some games. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if so, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that are watching my videos from these years. I really appreciate it. It should mean the world to me. Thank you so much. See you next time. Peace out.